Namaste everyone. According to the yogic theory, our Atma or consciousness has 5 dimensions that are as Annamay Kosh, Pranamay Kosh, Manomay Kosh, Vijnanamay Kosh and Anandamay Kosh. First, Annamay Kosh. Anna means the food that we eat. It helps us to make our bones and tissues that further helps us to make our muscles and organs. It is considered as the lowest dimension and the lowest layer among all the 5 koshas because it is considered as the lowest frequency through which we obtain energy. Second kosh, that is the Pranamay Kosh. Prana is considered as the vital life force for our body. Without prana, our body would be lifeless. The different forms of prana are prana, apana, udana, samana, vyana. So, it is important to take care of a prana energy or pranamay kosh through the practice of pranayama. That is the second vital source of energy after annamay kosh. Third kosh, that is our manomay kosh. Manomay kosh or our mind sheath. We know that our mind contains thoughts, feelings, emotions that we experience in our day-to-day lives. So it is important to take care of our Manomay Kosh. We can take care of our Manomay Kosh through satsangs. Satsang means by being with good people, with reading good books, knowledgeable books, and also by doing some physical exercise like yoga, running, or any kind of physical activity that can help to keep our mind calm and help us to reach to our next kosh after Manomay Kosh. Fourth comes Vijnanamay Kosh. Vijnanamay Kosh is our intuitive or wisdom sheath. As the word Vijnana suggests, means knowledge, through which we turn inwards and trying to seek the truth by discovering ourselves as soul and connecting with that higher consciousness. Fifth, Anandamay Kosh or our bliss body. As we know, Anand means bliss. So this is considered as a bliss sheath as we have reached to the last stage among all the 5 koshas after completing the Annamay Kosh, Pranamay Kosh, Manomay Kosh, Vijnanamay Kosh. This is the state where we are connected with that higher mind or the superconscious and we know ourselves as soul and not the body or the mind. This was all about the 5 koshas. Param Shanti.